So that's why I do not have one side of the gate driver, because that is a bridge driver, not full bridge, just a half bridge driver. And one side, the B side of the MOSFETs, I cannot measure. There is no gate drive signal. That's why I already changed the MOSFET and measured all the diodes in the panel, and yeah. Okay, so I have to change those fucking transistors. But how to get out this small panel? Oh yeah. Left side is N channel, right side is P channel. So now I have to measure, solder them out, soldering out, and check the left side too, the N channel. So I have replaced those small transistors because they could only 500 milliamps, but this is a MOSFET driver. I see. I took it from that old UPS motherboard, and yeah, it is able to drive with 1.5 amps, so 3 times stronger. Yeah, I just replaced the bipolar transistors, the totem pole outputs. I replaced them to MOSFET driver. So I have got it, maybe. Interesting that I measured now, and it is only 202 volts. 202 volts. So I have put a new gate driving system instead of totem pole bipolar transistors, MP, MP, MP. I soldered on it MOSFET driver EC, and yeah, it is. Yeah, and I of course I have changed the MOSFET at first, and I have changed also the gate resistors, because they was all burned. They have all burned. I replaced them with stronger. There you can see this red double stuff. You see, gate resistors 18 ohms twice parallel. It's about 9 ohms, and yeah, then as you have seen in the last scans, the PWM signal was not coming out properly. One side zero signal, other side triangle, because one of the 2 totem poles on the functioning side, one bipolar transistor was dead and the other one was only halfway working, or like this. So we changed the totem pole section to MOSFET driver IC. It's much more stronger, hopefully. But this is not giving us the 220, so I don't know why. I should put on it, you see, I should put on it oscilloscope. I had to take it out again, desoldered from here, because it was working, but the signal, the driver signal, was only 8 volts and deformed. So then I checked the alimentation, the plus and minus, the supply of the MOSFET driver IC, and before this new modification I connected it directly to the driver IC, positive, negative, but that was not the full power supply, I mean. So now I will try it and let's see if the signal gets better. I have tried it again, and it came out that the MOSFET driver IC cannot handle those 4 MOSFETs on it. And it is. The signal is really. This is 30 watts, 220 volts, 30 watts, and this is the signal. So yeah, it's really capacitive, you know, it's not nice. So it's not nice. It's working but not properly, so like that the transistors will burn out. Not hot yet, it's only 3 amps, but less than 3 amps. It's not nice. It's working but not nice. The signal is bullshit. 2 amps, 2.76, 2.5 with the standby basic amperage consumption. This is really bad. It's not good. It's not a square wave. This is the output of the driver IC after the gate resistor, so it's not good like that. It's too capacitive for the driver. I cannot say it's perfect, but much better than before. The signal is really messy. .4 kilohertz. This is the totem pole. New totem pole after the MOSFET driver. So like that it's fine, but now turn off. Not hot. It's not hot. Nothing hot. Yeah, okay. Fine. So it works. Not perfect, but it works. Much better signal. If I will find some new driver IC, then maybe I will change that. Not good. Living in the fucking hell among fucking zombies. let's try survive the zombie apocalypse. Peace.